Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very nice move on this one today, especially when you factor in that just on Thursday, the price was all the way down there, but now the price has managed to work its way all the way up to that point. So a nice move, but that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $2.35. Why is that area important? Well, for explanation purposes, and I'm not saying this will actually happen, but let's say the price comes down to $2.35 and then just continues on down. What would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price quite literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, maybe the price comes down here, because no price can go straight up, but the difference being behaves in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there if you envision those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right there at that green line. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, goes back to the level that I talked about in previous videos, and that is the purple line there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. And you can see on a couple different occasions, price got right up around that area and could never just quite push through. So that purple line there, definitely public enemy number one, and the current value of that is at 306. So watch that very closely. But all in all, got to give credit where credit's due. Nice movement here to the upside. So now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.